Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS EC2 instances with safety checks, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Locate the Instances section from the left-hand menu. Identify the instance you wish to uninstall. Before proceeding, ensure you have backups of any critical data. Review the status of the instance to make certain it is in a safe state for termination. Select the instance by checking the box next to its name. Click the Instance State drop-down menu at the top. From the drop-down, choose Stop to halt the instance. Wait for the instance status to change to Stopped. Now, click on the Instance State drop-down again. This time, select Terminate. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Read the information carefully regarding the termination. Confirm the action by clicking the Yes, Terminate button. Observe the notification that confirms the termination request. Check the status of your instance. It should change to shutting down and eventually to terminated. Verify that the instance is no longer listed under your active instances. If you have elastic IPs associated with the instance, consider releasing them. Double-check your billable services to ensure no residual charges will apply. Lastly, monitor your AWS account for any unexpected changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.